Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. For those who want to take things a step further and they're developers and want to utilize and apply the Hailuo AI API, I'm going to show you how to quickly get the API. So what you want to do, once you're inside your account, guys, on the lower left hand side, you can see it says apply for API. You click on that and it's going to open up a new window and take you over to Minimax AI platform here. So here you have the documentations and you have the account, so you can switch between the two. Let me go back and you can easily go ahead and find all the information here about the API. As you can see, it says intro to APIs. It gives you all the information that you need here about the API. So you can scroll down and you can find quite a lot of info here on how to apply and use the API. Right, so you have quite a lot of code in here in the left hand side as well. If you head over to the section where you have those models, you can see that you can simply click on them and you can take you into different section. If you click on this, for example, you can see the T2A version 2, and if you click on the API, you can see that it basically gives you the API. So you can easily go ahead and find them, guys. If you're looking for API for Hailuo AI, this is where you come and you can easily go ahead and find this info here as you and use it and apply it the way you want. So guys, I really hope you found this tutorial useful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like. Let me know in the comments if you have any question, and thank you guys for watching. Very quick and very easy.